What are the steps to transfer money from my Steam wallet to a friend's account?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about a common question that many of you have been asking. How can I transfer money from my Steam wallet to a friend's account? Let's get straight into it.
Understanding Steam wallet transfer restrictions.
Before we proceed, it's important to understand that Steam does not officially support or provide a feature to directly transfer money or wallet balance from one user's account to another. This is likely for security reasons and to prevent potential misuse of the platform. So, if you're thinking you can directly send your Steam wallet funds to a friend's account, unfortunately, it's not possible as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021.
So, what's the alternative?
However, don't lose hope. There is an alternative way you can effectively transfer money to a friend's account. This is through gifting them a game, DLC, or other items from the Steam Marketplace. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Steam account. 2. Browse the Steam store for the game or item you want to gift. 3. Click on the Add to Cart button. 4. In your shopping cart, select Purchase as a gift. 5. Select the friend you want to send the gift to or enter their email address. 6. Complete the transaction with your Steam wallet funds. By doing this, the cost of the game or item is effectively taken from your wallet and given to your friend in the form of a game or item.
What about Steam gift cards?
Another way to transfer money to your friend's Steam account indirectly is by purchasing a Steam gift card or a digital gift card, which you can then send to your friend. They can redeem this on their own account, thereby increasing their Steam wallet balance. This is how you do it. 1. In the Steam store, go to the Gift Cards section. 2. Choose the value of the card you want to send. 3. Select Add to Cart, and then Purchase as a gift. 4. Choose the friend you want to send the gift card to or enter their email. 5. Complete the transaction with your Steam wallet funds. Remember, these cards come in various denominations, so you can choose one that suits your budget. Although we can't directly transfer funds from one Steam wallet to another, these alternative methods allow us to effectively do the same thing. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to use your Steam wallet funds to bring some joy to a friend's gaming experience. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.